Now we are going to discuss alloys and their strength. Well, most metals in everyday use, they aren't pure metals. Instead, they are what is known as alloys, where an alloy, as we have seen in the previous tutorial, is made from a pure metal by adding a different metal or a non-metal on top of it. Alloys allow us to improve the properties of the pure metals. For example, pure metals are quite malleable. If something is malleable, it will bend out of shape on the application of a force. If you have watched our videos on metals and metallic bonding, you will know that metals are made out of a regular arrangement of metal cations, which are surrounded by delocalized or free electrons. The regular arrangement of identical ions is what makes matters malleable, because these ions form regular layers and these layers can easily slide over each other. As the layers of metal ions as shown in this diagram slide over each other on the application of a force, the metals does not break, but instead they bend out of shape. And by adding another element to the metal and padding another element to the metal reduces the ions' ability to slide over each other, doing this by preventing the formation of layers. For example, in this diagram, we can see that the regular lattice structure of a metal has been disrupted by the addition of atoms of other elements. The formation of layers has been prevented by different elements' ions being different sizes. For example, in this diagram, we have the original metal, which would usually form regular layers. However, the addition of the other element, which is in orange, greater than the ions of the original metal, have led to a more random structure in which the sliding that we saw in a pure metal has been reduced, which prevents the formation of the disrupted layers as we have seen in the previous one. So the addition of other elements makes alloys stronger, harder than pure metals. We can now think about some common examples of alloys. First of these is the brass. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and it is used to make coins. This is because there has a gold-like appearance. The bonding of brass will still be metallic, so it will still have the delocalized electrons required in order to conduct electricity.